Hello, everybody. This is Beate Schillett. I'm the growth architect, and I would like to talk to you about how to figure out your super skill. So a super skill is sort of the most important, essential portion of being able to talk to clients about why you are really good at what you're good at. This doesn't just work for clients. It's also good for teams. It's also good for when you work for somebody else, or if like an employee, for example, or any kind of setting where people are saying, all right, so let's figure out who should be working on what. This is when you want to speak up and say, I am the right person for the job, and here are the reasons why. So most of the time, and this happens to everybody, including myself, probably to you, this is where you get all tongue-tied and you get kind of sometimes even upset that people don't see your brilliance. Well, a secret's a secret's a secret. So if you're a best kept secret, how would anybody ever know if you're good at something if you yourself cannot talk about it? So the first step is you need to figure out, or you want to figure out, and you must figure out how to talk to other people about what your super skill is. So what is your super skill? Super skill usually is something that is very easy for you. I'll give you an example. For me, it's always been about processes. So processes for me are a piece of cake. So I can look at something really complex, like, this business building, and I look at it, and in my head immediately I'm going like, okay, that's 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how the 5-star success blueprint was born. Because for me, it was like, it's almost like vomiting this information out because it is so easy. And I cannot imagine that other people don't know how to do that. So your skill is maybe not this, but it might be something else. And what usually gives it away is when people say, how did you do that? Or what makes you so really good at this? I can't believe you are. And this is a hint that somewhere underneath there is a super skill hidden. So I've recorded for Creative Life, and Creative Life is an online platform. This is like I think I have like 5 workshops with them right now on their fantastic online platform. And I recorded this super skills workshop. It's super cheap. It's super fast. Anybody can do it. So you may want to check this out. But basically, in essence, the theory or my idea is I believe that every skill is learnable. So if you say, I'm shy, I'm introverted, I don't know how to talk about myself, or here's my creatives, where you believe that somebody somewhere might just figure out how amazing you are and then offer you all this money in the world for you to sort of perform these great creative services for you, that's really generally not the way it works. You have to have somebody, or you have to have yourself. You have to know how to talk about it. So find out your super skill comes first, and then second is how do you even talk about it? So in this workshop, I've actually created a pitch script where I'll teach you exactly all the elements that go into how to talk to somebody about what you're really good at without it sounding like a complete, horrific sales pitch, but really about a solution-driven idea, which is what growth architecture is all about. We are solution providers for our clients, but in order to do that, you actually need to be able to talk to them about yourself without sounding like this egomaniac. I hope this helps you a little bit. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like this video. Check out the link to the workshop, and check out my other videos. I'm really thrilled that you're here. Thank you so much for watching.